Today's story name is The Toy Train That Got Lost. Clickety was a happy little toy train. He loved to go chug 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 all around his cozy toy station. He had the shiniest red paint and a big happy smile on his face. One sunny morning, Clickety decided he wanted a special adventure. Toot toot, he whistled. He chugged right off his track and rolled past the toy station. Oh my! Where was he? Clickety was lost. He bumped right into a big fluffy cushion. Bump, bump went the cushion. Toot, toot went Clickety, feeling a little wobbly. A friendly teddy bear named Barnaby was sitting nearby. Are you okay, little train? He asked. I am lost, cried Clickety. I can't find my way back to the toy station. Barnaby pointed a little paw. Maybe the slide can help, he said. Clickety rolled onto a toy slide. Whee! He went clatter, clatter, clatter. He slid down and landed with a soft thump. At the bottom of the slide, a curious cat was waiting. Meow, said the cat, battling at Clickety's wheels. Toot, toot, Clickety whistled, trying to get away. The cat just purred and curled around him. Just then, a door opened and a little girl came in. She scooped up Clickety and took him outside to the garden. Oh my, he thought. He was even more lost. He saw a tiny ladybug on a leaf. The ladybug waved its little antenna. Follow me, it buzzed. The ladybug flew from one flower to another, and a little girl carried Clickety following the ladybug's path. Chug, 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 Clickety felt brave again. The ladybug led them all the way back to the house. The little girl put Clickety back on his track, and there he was, his cozy toy station. Clickety was so happy to be home. He tooted his whistle loudly. Toot, toot, toot. He learned that even if you feel lost, friends and courage can help you find your way back home. And that was the best adventure of all. Wow, wasn't that an amazing story, kids?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so see you next time. Thanks for listening with us.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, friends.